Anthony's Beehive Honey Stick Filling Machine. Honey sticks are popular at farmers markets, selling for about $1 each, even though they cost only a few cents to make. Anthony's Beehive Honey Stick Filling Machine is designed to turn simple honey into a value-added product, making it easier and faster to produce. This machine can fill 40 sticks at the same time, with each stick holding 5 milliliters of honey. Silicone seals in every slot keep the sticks airtight during the filling process, ensuring a neat and clean result. The machine isn't limited to honey. It also works with syrups, sauces, creams, and other thick liquids, making it versatile for different products. The kit comes with 1,000 plastic tubes so you can start producing immediately, and there is an option to switch to eco-friendly biodegradable sugarcane tubes. It's simple enough for beginners, and even children can learn to use it quickly. Compact and lightweight, the machine measures 61 x 61 x 46 centimeters and weighs just half a kilogram, making it easy to move and store. Big Bird 747. The Big Bud 747 is known as the world's largest farming tractor, a true giant in agricultural machinery. The first model was built back in 1977 in La Jolla, Montana, and it immediately made history. Today's version is even more impressive, powered by a massive 16-cylinder diesel engine that produces 760 horsepower, giving it the strength to handle the toughest farming tasks. In terms of size, the Big Bud 747 is enormous. It measures 26 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 13 feet tall, towering over most other tractors. Its tires are equally impressive, each one standing 8.2 feet in diameter, specially made by the Canadian company United Tire Company to support the tractor's immense weight. When fully loaded, the Big Bud 747 weighs over 100,000 pounds, making it not only powerful but also incredibly heavy. Its design and engineering reflect decades of innovation in farming machinery. This tractor isn't just a tool, it's a symbol of strength and scale in modern agriculture, demonstrating how far technology can go to support large-scale farming. Brother Embroidery Machine. Logos on corporate uniforms can sometimes cost more than the clothes themselves, but companies never hesitate to pay for quality. The Brother Entrepreneur Pro is a commercial-grade 10-needle embroidery machine designed for high-speed professional work. It can stitch up to 1,000 stitches per minute and reaches full speed in just 7 seconds, making it ideal for busy production environments. The machine offers a generous work area of 20 by 35 centimeters, giving plenty of space for large embroidery projects. Its 10.1-inch HD touchscreen provides access to 1,280 built-in designs in 50 different fonts, making customization easy. The automatic needle threading system loads each needle in seconds at the push of a button. The jump stitch trimming function removes extra thread between stitch groups using advanced Intervie technology. Additionally, the machine scans the fabric in the hoop and displays a design placement preview on the screen. With the My Stitch Monitor app, users can receive real-time project updates and notifications directly on their smartphone, keeping every project on track and under control. Centaur XT. The Centaur XT is a powerful all-terrain vehicle that looks like a real monster with its big wheels and sharp, angular design. Its unique body structure not only makes it efficient but also allows it to handle any type of terrain with ease. It comes with a 55-horsepower diesel engine and a 6-speed manual transmission, giving it strong performance in all conditions. The vehicle's 71-inch low-pressure tires let it drive almost anywhere while providing 26 inches of ground clearance. It is designed for 2 people, but optional folding seats can increase the capacity to 6. For comfort, it includes heating and air conditioning, making it suitable for both hot and cold environments. The Centaur XT has an impressive towing capacity of 5,200 pounds, making it perfect for rescue operations and towing other vehicles. It is also ideal for tasks like oil and gas exploration, inspecting power lines, and utility maintenance. Overall, the Centaur XT is a versatile and reliable vehicle built to tackle extreme terrains and demanding work while keeping passengers comfortable and safe. Diamond 2000. The Diamond 2000 is designed to be highly efficient and simple to use, making wood processing easier than ever. All you need to do is place a branch or a piece of wood into its receptacle, and it quickly turns it into fine wood wall. Its unique grinding system can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, ensuring fast and consistent results every time. The wood cutting mechanism comes with an interchangeable blade system, which allows for easy maintenance and versatility when working with different types of wood. One of the standout features of the Diamond 2000 is its eco-friendly approach. By reprocessing wood and using secondary raw materials, it helps reduce waste while also saving costs, making it good for both the environment and the economy. Thanks to its reliable performance and practical design, the Diamond 2000 finds applications in many industries, from construction to furniture making and beyond, providing a smart, sustainable solution for efficient wood processing. Dylan Aero CEV. The Dylan Aero CEV is a cutting-edge, all-purpose electric SUV developed to protect VIPs and convoys on the move. It is built with aerospace-grade materials, providing full B6 level protection, making it highly durable and safe. But the SUV's innovation goes beyond its strong materials. Its electric powertrain delivers instant torque, quick acceleration, smooth handling, and a quiet ride, offering both performance and comfort. One of the most impressive features of the CEV is its ability to mount defensive weaponry, turning it into a highly effective mobile firing platform. The vehicle can transform in just 3 seconds, and it only takes 8 seconds to fully conceal the weapon when not in use. The SUV shows its firepower when equipped with the Dylan Aero M134D, a high-velocity, accurate firearm with almost no recoil. This weapon can be installed on many different vehicles. Dylan Aero is well known for designing vehicles that combine top-level protection with mobile weapon capabilities, making them not only secure but also exceptionally effective as defensive platforms in any high-risk situation. Dragflow. The Dragflow submersible pump is specially designed to handle mixtures that are thick, viscous, and contain a high amount of solids. These pumps are particularly useful when working with hydraulic mixtures that include a large percentage of dissolved or suspended materials, along with solid particles up to 4.7 inches in size. Here's how the pumping process works. An agitator is placed in the suction pipe area, where it stirs the solid particles from the bottom surface. This action breaks up the ground material and forms a concentrated pulp. The pulp, now loosened and mixed, is then drawn into the pump. The pump efficiently moves this thick mixture, ensuring smooth and continuous operation even in demanding conditions. Dragflow pumps are built to handle tough jobs where ordinary pumps would struggle, making them ideal for construction sites, mining operations, or any work involving dense, heavy slurries. Their design ensures that even the largest particles are captured and pumped without clogging, providing reliable performance every time. iGulu S1. Brewing your own beer doesn't have to be complicated anymore. With the iGulu S1, the process is simplified into just 3 easy steps. This home brewing machine takes care of the hard work for you. It has a smart ferment control system that automatically keeps the temperature between 2 and 40 degrees Celsius and maintains pressure up to 1 bar, ensuring your drink turns out perfectly every time. The machine uses RFID tags on ingredient kits to instantly recognize the type of beverage you're making. It then adjusts all the settings automatically, giving you the best result without any guesswork. A CO2 cartridge keeps your beer fresh for up to 30 days, while the built-in air pump maintains proper fermentation conditions for a full 24 hours. Each batch produces 5 liters of your favorite drink. The iGulu S1 comes with 9 preset recipes, including pale ale, porter, kombucha, and cider. It measures 60 x 48 x 38 centimeters and weighs 13.5 kilograms. The price of this smart brewer is $440, making home brewing easier than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.